video, I would like us to please shift focus from getting subscribers to getting more views. Yes, we know that getting more views is not your problem at this time, right? As a new YouTuber, you just created your channel, you'll be wondering, why views? Why not subscribers? Yes, I am taking you somewhere. Just follow me. I want us to shift focus from getting subscribers to getting views. From my analogy, I've discovered that 500 views will give you nothing less than 50 subscribers. I bet you, I know what I'm saying. Views equate subscribers. So guys, please, I am shifting focus from getting subscribers to getting views, because your channel need views and also need subscribers, right, for it to get monetized. So meaning we are going to be achieving two things at the same time. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if this video interests you. So kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, so that every time I upload new video, I speak about YouTube growth, how you can get subscribers without struggle, without stress, just like I did. Sincerely guys, I created this channel on the 6th of January 2026. I'm going to be showing you the picture. I'm going to be showing you workings. This is no magic. I created this channel on the 6th of January 2026, and this channel is barely, it's just February 6, March 6. Okay, it's 2 months plus, 2 months and few days, and this channel already has 5,000 subscribers, 5,800 and something thereabout. 5,000 plus subscribers. These are strategies, these are proven strategies we've actually put in place. So you can't come and tell me I have done all these things, yet my channel is not growing, I am not getting subscribers, meaning there is something you are missing out. You see, YouTube is a very broad space. There is no content creator that will tell you I've been on this space for 100 years, because of that I know everything about YouTube. That is not true. YouTube updates every day. Every day you learn new thing on YouTube. Every day you keep improving. Every day you keep getting more updates about YouTube and how you can get monetized and do better on YouTube. Everybody is a student. So long as you're a content creator, everyone is a student on YouTube. Do you understand me? So get that into your mind, and you see a lot of difference in your YouTube creation journey. So the first thing I would like us to one of the strategy I would like us to share, which is number one on my list, is your YouTube optimization. I know we all are already used to that word, optimization. Optimize your YouTube channel, optimize your video, optimize even your video content quality, optimize even yourself. Guys, calm down. I got you. Just calm down. You see, YouTube optimization is very key as a YouTuber. We cannot overemphasize it. It is something that you must put in place on your channel if you really, really want to have a positive result in your YouTube journey. YouTube optimization actually entails your tags, your hashtags, your keywords, your overall channel overview. Are they all well set up? I made a video on how you can get your channel keywords depending on the niche your channel is actually focused on. I made a comprehensive video on how to get that done, but regardless, for the purpose of my new subscribers, I'm still going to be doing a short clip screenshot recording on how you can really, really do that. So please ensure to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be attaching it towards the end of this video. So your YouTube optimization is really, really key. Your tags, are they well placed? Your hashtags, you can't just use hashtags because other people are using it. Is it related to your content? Is it related to your channel description? Is it related to your niche? So these things are something you need to really think about and get it sorted out. You have to get it right. If you don't get it right, then you have not even scratched the surface of getting monetized and doing well on YouTube. So your keywords, is it related to your channel niche? Fine. Is it well set up to, is it in line with your niche? Is it in line with your niche? I used to have a YouTube channel. I mean, that was 4 years ago. I never knew all this. What I usually do was just to make videos and post. I never knew what was YouTube optimization. So I got frustrated, and with on that channel I had to, I had to let it go because I wasn't getting the desired result. But you see now, I think I know better. I know better. So I'm really focusing so that I know a lot of people are really found in this bucket. Because yes, if you are just on YouTube space because you see other people doing it, but you don't know there are more to it. So that is the reason we have channels like mine to assist new content creators to do their content journey the safe way and the better way, the best way, so that they can get desired results. The desired result at the end of it all is to get monetized and also earn something. From YouTube content creation. So that is number one. So secondly, your topic, your video topics, are they topic that really speak about helping? Is it something that really bring solutions? People do this thing a lot. Topic will be different from the content of the video. So you see, you can't use topic to trick people to watch your video. From your topic, yes, you can get people click on that video, but in the first 5 to 10 seconds, if the video is not really speaking about that the topic itself, then you see the person click out, which does not really speak well. It does not make it really doesn't speak well. At the end of it, you've lost that intending subscriber, because if that person had gotten value based on the topic you shared, the person would have subscribed. That's number two. So thirdly, your thumbnail. You see, thumbnail is like you made a delicious meal right now, and the meal is very delicious, right, if you taste it, but in terms of the look of the food is not even attractive until the person now tastes it, says okay, but the looks is not really inviting, but it tastes nice. So that's what thumbnail means. Thumbnail is what attracts your audience to say okay. It gives, is it curiosity enough for people to say, okay, I need to know what this person is talking about. I think it's going to solve my problem. So, thumbnail is really key for us to pay attention to. And the last but not the least is your video, your content, the type of video you put up. Your content, is it really something that is power packed with a lot of value? Is it something that really, you see, content creation, people would like to learn from your experience. Your viewers will like to know, okay, this is where the journey where you have been, and this is where you are now, and this is where you intend to be in the nearest future. People want to resonate with your struggle, because you see, no matter the struggle you are facing on YouTube, you have thousands of people facing that same challenge, and anyone that is able to break out from that challenge is a hero, and it gives you that opportunity to be able to share your experience confidently. And while you're sharing that experience confidently, you see that people will resonate with your struggle and also want to watch your video and learn from you. And then you've gained their trust. You've gained their trust. Anyone that subscribed to your channel is based on trust, to say, okay, for me to have subscribed to this person, I think this person is going to help me in this area, or in this aspect of my YouTube journey, or in this aspect of my life. So that's one thing about getting subscribers. So this video is really speaking your mind. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. Hit on the subscribe button, subscribe, turn on post notification so that every time I upload new video, you always get notified to watch my video. It's going to help you a lot and a lot. It's not about the views. It's not about the views I have on my channel. I have over 5,000 subscribers and still counting. So I just created this channel 6th of December and I have gotten this far. I mean, I'm not doing bad myself. So, and as time goes on, I'm still going to be sharing my experience so far. So guys, please, let's do these 4 things and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Optimize your channel. Your topic should be in line with whatever thing you're really talking about in your video. Your thumbnail should be top notch, and your videos should be, I mean, you don't really have to have all the luxuries like getting tripod and all of that. You can just hang your phone somewhere, and I mean, you can do whatever thing you have at that moment. As time goes on, you surely grow. Everyone started from somewhere, right? You must not have it all for you to be able to say, okay, I think I am fit to have a YouTube channel. No, no matter how small, you can start small. Everyone has a journey, and that journey is the experience, and that is what makes you stand out. So guys, please, my name is Choma. I speak about YouTube growth, on how you can get more subscribers, get monetized. We are yet to be monetized though, but we know one day and very soon we'll get monetized, which I'm going to be sharing with you, my audience. Thank you so very much for subscribing. Thank you for always tuning to watch my video. I really do appreciate. Thank you so much. Until we meet again in my next video, and bye for now. Bye.